This point is clear to do the addition?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
going to find out the average. Clear? Now, I will not open another query. I will do in this only. I will do? I'll go to do right click on this query 2 and I'll go to design view. Just beside the average, we are having the heading. So just beside the total, we are having the heading of average. So I'll put semicolon here. Again, I'll go to Boulder. Okay. And I'll start doing the query. Okay. Now here table 1. So before doing, I'll put this bracket. Okay. Because I just want to add, or we just need not to put. Two way we can do it. One is to take the total value. Okay. Oh God. By mistake, I just did it. To take the total value from here. Okay. And I'll put slash and 6 because our subject are 6, isn't it? Let's see. Let's see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 subject we are having. Okay. So again, go to Boulder. We are having this. We have to erase it. Okay. Now click on OK. Let's run and see. We're not getting average. Okay. Means we have to follow the long procedure. Total it is not accepting. Okay. Because query is applying in that. Now let's give bracket. Okay. And then go to table 1. Let me try one thing. Maybe it will. Parameter value it is asking.
हम क्या रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे थे? कहाँ पे रिकॉर्डिंग चल?
Average is 1.
ये देखो यार, हमने तो 20 में दिया हुआ देखो। डाटाबेस खोलना है फिर को। कर रहे हैं भाई, सिंपल डाटाबेस।
Now here we will go to long procedure. Okay, we will put bracket here, then we will go to table 1, then we will add English plus Hindi values plus maths value plus science value plus social science value plus computer value. Now we will close the bracket and we will put slash sign and 6. Slash means to divide it. Now we will delete this one. We will do this. Formula is clear to everyone. This will work. Okay, children. So this is the formula. I have put bracket because it will solve the bracket. It will add total marks of all the subject and then it will divide with 6. Now click on OK. Click on run. So as I click on run, I'll get the answer. Now in some of the field heading, you might have noticed that it is showing what it is showing. It is showing hash sign, means hash sign means it is not getting enough space to write, to show the text. So here you can see the average. Is it clear? Or you want
Yes,
me to do
ma'am.
again?
Again.
Again, you want to repeat again? Okay, okay, doesn't mean. So I'm going to close it again and I'll not save it so that I'll get total also. I'm getting blank. No, I have saved already. Okay, doesn't mean, doesn't matter. I'll erase the formula and I'll do it again. Okay. Now let's go to average builder. And I'm going to delete it. This much is clear to everyone that we have to click on average one. Okay. And we have to press colon sign. Colon means double dot. Okay. Then we have to go to boulder. So as we click on boulder, we will get this one. Now after that, we have to go to table. Here we have to open table and we have to go to table 1. So as we click on table 1, we get all the heading of table 1. So one by one, we have to add each one. So now click on this. Sorry, before that, we have to put the bracket. So as I click on this bracket, I'll get the bracket. Now English, paste, Hindi, paste. Okay, plus we have to press put now. Then after that, plus sign, math, paste, plus sign, science, paste, plus sign, social science, paste, plus sign, computer, paste. Okay, now we will close the bracket by putting the closing bracket. And now what will happen? It will solve the bracket value. Bracket value means it will add all the number that these fields are having. Now I'm going to put the slash sign to divide it. Okay, and from the keyboard I'll type 6 because there are 6 heading. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now here you can see express is given. So I'm going to delete it because the symbol that I need to press is already given. Okay. Now this is the complete formula to add first and then it will divide by 6 after. Okay. Now click on OK and after that you run it. So as you run it, you will get this field to be solved. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No,
Okay.
ma'am. No,
Okay,
ma'am.
Okay. Now here we are going to create, we have done minimum, total, average, now minimum, maximum. Okay.